everyone. I hope all of you are doing well and enjoying your Wednesday. I want to emphasize, if you have bad credit, please avoid going to credit repair agencies or companies that claim they can fix your bad credit. I often see these companies make advertisements on TV and on the internet. They claim they can fix your credit. Those companies charge you money for fixing your credit. You don't need them. To fix your credit, go on annualcreditreport.com. Please view a copy of your TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax credit report. Look through each report. Contact each company that reported negative information. Contact the companies. Work out payment plans. Pay them any debt that you owe. If you don't have the money, get a second job or work more hours. If it's a paid off debt, but it's showing that you paid it late, ask the company if they can remove the late mark from your credit report, okay? Removing the late mark will help you. If for whatever reason you cannot contact the company, write them a letter, okay? Pay off any outstanding debts or balances. As a last resort, ask the companies if they can forgive some of the debt. They may say no, but ask them anyway. You cannot avoid not using credit cards. Have about 2 or 3 credit cards under your name. Use them very small and pay them off immediately. Don't carry balances. Again, to build or reestablish good credit, you must use credit cards. Use 2 or 3 of them. Don't use them very heavily. Use them very lightly and pay them off immediately, okay? Again, dispute the negative information from your credit reports. You don't need credit repair agencies. Credit repair agencies often ask you for money and fees. You need that money to repay your outstanding debts. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please contact me. My advice is subjective. It's what I think, so other people may have different opinions. Okay, and that's fine.